When a business jet or regional jet engine triggers a vibration exceedance, the aircraft is grounded. A balance event is required. Your aircraft sits out of service. Using traditional methods, that means hours of downtime your schedule and your passengers cannot afford. The traditional 3-shot balancing method requires 5 complete engine surveys, multiple personnel, hours of work, with the engine running repeatedly on the ramp. Your aircraft sits out of service throughout. And after all of that, the hand-calculated result is normally just a slight reduction of vibration levels, not a solution. The PBS Express changes the process entirely. Connected to the engine while it is still on the aircraft, no removal required. The Trim Balance Wizard guides you step by step, even on your first time using it. Run 1 rapid vibration survey, and the PBS Express instantly generates a precise balance solution. Apply the weight, confirm with a second survey, and you are done. As little as 2 engine runs, a substantially better result in most cases. Side by side, the difference is clear. 5 surveys reduced to as little as 2 engine runs. A complex, hand-calculated process replaced by a wizard-guided system that works for first-time users. And unlike the traditional method, PBS Express tests and balances the engine right where the aircraft sits on the wing, at the ramp, same day. Built for the flight line, because that is where your business jet and regional jet need to be. Stop sending your jet to the shop for a balance event. The PBS Express is not simply trusted, it is specified. Major OEMs including Boeing, Airbus, GE, CFM International, Safran, Rolls-Royce, and Pratt & Whitney have named the PBS in their engine maintenance manuals and aircraft maintenance manuals. The PBS Express balances it on the wing. Fast, precise, and first-time user ready. Book your demonstration today at ytrack.com.